In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the face unlock to go directly to the last screen that you are using on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now you can see at the moment on my Galaxy S21, if I use the face recognition to unlock the device, after it is unlocked, it's still staying on the lock screen instead of going directly to my last screen that I'm using. So here, it's take me to my home screen. So in order for you to change this behavior, what you can do is swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then in here, tap on biometrics and security. Next, tap on face recognition. In here, we're going to put in the PIN or password. Next, tap on stay on lock screen until swipe, turn it off. Once you turn off this feature, then you can go back to your lock screen. And you can see when the phone is unlocked, it will take you directly back to the last screen that you are using. So if I'm in my settings page, then if I lock my phone and if I use face recognition to unlock, then it will take me back to my last screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.